thank you for that generous introduction. And thank you for this opportunity. I'm going to share my screen and start. Can you see it?
Yes, we can.
All right. Can you hear me clearly?
Yes, we can.
All right. So again, I know that today's emphasis is to share experience, both the positive and negative experience we had while we are trying to infuse data science, data analytics in our institution, which is Bowie State. All right, let's see. All right, first I want to acknowledge all this institution and individual listed on this slide, because it takes a lot of efforts to achieve what we achieved. So in the interest of time, I'm not gonna list them, but they are acknowledged. Now, always I use this slide to set the context when we talk about data science and data analytics. They are highly interrelated area, domain or sub-discipline or discipline. So I just want to make sure, I always put the context when we discuss. Now at Bowie, quick fact about Bowie. Bowie is the first HBCU in Maryland, founded in 1865. There are about 20 undergraduate and 20 graduate programs. We have 3 colleges, about 4,000 to 5,000 undergraduates, about 1,000 graduate students on average. So, and also Bowie is mainly a research 3 institution, which means mainly focusing on teaching. We are in we are heading towards be research 2. So again, that's another context. Now, in terms of quick summary, what happens, actually, we started this idea in 2017, and then we applied for grant. First, we didn't succeed. We revised and applied again. In 2018, we succeeded and we received a grant, but the real work started since 2017. Then you can see after 3 years, we managed to get the data analytics concentration academic program within the Bachelor of Science in Business Administration degree. Also, a semester after, or a year after, a year after we managed to get the upper division certificate in data analytics in fall 2021. This semester we start offering classes, so we are excited. The students are excited, so I'll share more how we did it and what challenge we faced. Also, we have expanded our outreach by working with the Greater Washington partners to add the digital credentials and also provide student scholarship. Now, again, the importance of data, big data, data science, data analytics are, I think it's well established. Initially, we need to explain that, but I think now it's well established. A couple of interesting numbers I want to share with all of you. If you look at the last bulletin carried in terms of growth, you can see data analytics oriented jobs. They are increasing above, let's say, operation research analyst by 45 compared to statistician by 15K. So you can also see 7K for economists compared to 2,208K for management analysts. So we can see that now data analytics is becoming essential in all professional disciplines, and professionals are expected to do data analysis, data analytics, data cleaning, data collection. They're not expected to rely on a statistician or economist. So again, that's the trend. So accordingly, we need to adjust our academic programs. So again, this is another evidence. On this, I just want to focus on the type of jobs available, two categories: data analytics enabled jobs and data science jobs. So if you recall the Venn diagram I showed earlier at the beginning, so those who study data science end up doing the data science jobs. Those who study analytics, they end up doing the analytics enabled job. So again, generally the analytics enabled jobs, there are more analytics enabled jobs than data science jobs. So again, this justifies the need to infuse data science and analytics knowledge, skill, ability across disciplines. So again, when we start, how can we achieve this? So we have done a lot of research. We established a team of consists of with different expertise from different areas, from computer science, computer technology, information technology, economics, finance, biology. So in the process, we develop a framework to guide us the process. I will share that. And also, we use this framework, and we also try to study the effectiveness of this framework from a research perspective. So again, this is a framework we developed. You can see that data science, data analytics is a multidisciplinary discipline, and it involves a lot of competencies. So we try to understand that even before we start developing the academic programs. So you can see at the bottom, the foundation competencies are clearly there, the hard skills as well as the soft skills. And you can see also the foundation areas. On top of that, we have computer science and technology, knowledge, skill, abilities, or competencies. Then as you move, it's get closer to application. So a complete data science and analytics student or faculty needs to have all those knowledge. So, that's why we build the teams of faculty from biology, economics. We reach out to all, and we get enough representation. Now on the left, you can see that also we want to get feedback from advisory board. We established the advisory board from students, from faculty. And also we had a faculty learning community. We built a faculty learning community to facilitate this process. So another important element in developing academic program is, of course, the content, the competencies are important, but also the pedagogy. The pedagogy is critical. How are you going to deliver this content? So we focused better on literature research. We focus on problem-based learning, involving student, generally experiential learning based.
Dr. Zenebe, just so you know, you have about 1 more minute.
Okay, so again, we strongly believe that faculty is important, so we provide mechanism for faculty to build their DSA competencies. So we allow them to take courses, and we paid them a reasonable amount from the grant to encourage them. Also, they involved in the learning community. They involved on the research with the students. Again, they were motivated by their profession, plus with some payment, reasonable payment. So again, as I said, we developed modules initially infused into the curriculum. We developed a number of courses. Finally, we developed 2 programs, and we managed to get those programs approved. It has to go to, as all of you know, it has to go through a lot of committees, a lot of politics. So we managed to get those approved. Now our future plan is dissemination. So when first we're gonna share our experience. Second, we wanna also share our modules, courses, cases we have developed, and also wanna publish. We have a lot of data collected. We had an external evaluator. We have collected a lot of data. We didn't get enough time to analyze and publish, so we are working on that one. And also, bigger ambition we have is to prepare and publish a book. Thank you, and I look forward to answering your question at the end.